The Public Health Engineering PHE Department celebrated World Water Day at the District Auditorium in Tura today, with the theme Water for Peace. The event highlighted the importance of water in fostering harmony. Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chelani graced the occasion as the chief guest. Participants also engaged in discussions and workshops focusing on water conservation strategies under the slogan, "Water is life, don't waste it." The event emphasized the urgent need for responsible water usage to ensure a sustainable future for Meghalaya. Meanwhile, Nongstoin also observed World Water Day. A two-day event was held at St. Vianney's Hall, Pindengri, where Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District CP Maukon graced the function as the chief guest. The Indian Premier League cricket tournament will begin this evening in Chennai.